Okay, so here is the second Hampton Bay Palm Beach in the second bedroom. Should be able to give you a good, better top shot here. Find it. Got some stickers. There's the logo there. Hope you can make out something on there if you want to. If not, I apologize. So I'll go ahead and start her out on low here. Again, ignore the noise, the AC, and that's running. Because it's hot. It's hot as crap. Oh, that's just unplugged, that's why. I'm an idiot. I was trying to figure out if that switch. Throw on medium. Oh, throwing a decent breeze. Slight breeze, that might just be for that AC unit though. Here is medium. It's wobbling. It be wobbling. Shaky. It be shaking. Oh yeah. It might be a bit out of balance. Here's high. Yeah, just a bit. Just a bit. Oh no, it's settling down. It throws some air. People think Hampton Bays are bad. They're not all bad, especially the 90s and early 2000s ones. Spin down. Turn that off. I don't feel the motor, so I think so. Probably could have just turned it off by the switch. The lampshade's shaking back and forth. I don't know what. Oh, it's probably from that. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother. Actually, I am gonna bother. Watch this. I'm not sure this. That's on. Never mind. So maybe this. So maybe that second switch. Just watch this. Move to the bottom one. Except it doesn't do anything, so maybe it used to do that switch. It used to do that. It got disconnected, maybe. Stopping finally. We close? Still going?